Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video, guys, with your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Guys, the road to 800 subscribers is on, and I want to say thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching the videos, liking the videos. I really appreciate the love and the support. Guys, the comments, those are what always stood out to me, even the curry crab videos, how person are reacting to the curry crab and stuff like that. So, but today now I'm gonna do rice and peas, oven baked mashed potato. I'm gonna do some jerk pineapple fish and some vegetable. So I'm gonna walk you through the step of how I prepare all of these amazing dishes for you guys to enjoy. Put on the peas on the fire, guys. Now wash the peas. So I add just a ginger and some garlic. For the jerk fish, I'm just gonna chop up some onion, some scallion, and some garlic. So I'm just gonna add some fresh seasoning in it. So I'm not gonna use any pepper because the jerk season that I'm using it is the hot and spicy one, so it is extremely spicy. So it's an oven jerk pineapple fish today. So I'm just chopping up the onion as fine as possible because the onion is gonna stuff into the fish. So cutting up the garlic as fine as possible to add into the fish, and the garlic is going to help to add flavor to the fish. So I'm just adding some of the season into the fish and some of the all-purpose season. So I'm adding in some of the chopped season into the fish, some of the jerk season. And remember that the jerk season is spicy, so I'm not gonna add any pepper. I'm just adding some all-purpose season, and then I'm adding some of the jerk season. So I'm peeling the pineapple, add onto the fish. I'm julienning the pineapple. So I'm just gonna cut them like in some square. Cutting them even. So I'm just laying the pineapple on the top of the fish. Today I am doing some pineapple jerk fish. So I'm just laying the pineapple on the side of the fish with the toothpick. So after laying the pineapple on the fish, I'm going to use some butter onto the foil paper where I'm going to wrap the fish into the foil paper, and then I'm going to put it into the oven to steam. So it's oven jerk pineapple fish today. So I'm just going through and just adding some thyme inside the fish, just to help to add flavor. I am greasing the foil paper with some butter before adding the fish. I'm wrapping the fish. So I'm stuffing some of the butter into the fish as well. Help to add flavor, and the butter also helps for the fish not to stick onto the foil paper. Adding the coconut milk in the piece. I make the coconut milk go and cook with the piece. Whew. So I'm going to peel up the potato them, which is the Irish potato. Putting them into this clean water. So I'm going to do a big mashed potato. Just peeling them, guys. So the peas done cook. I'm gonna add a piece of butter, so a spoon of salt, some sweet pepper, add flavor, add in a green pepper, some green thyme, some scallion. Now add just a little bit of salt in the pot for the Irish. It's a scallion just to add flavor. Guys, the rain really a come down again. Trying to see if we can push through this video. Add just a little bit of cooking oil in the pot. The rain comes, so I have to finish the vlog inside of the house. Just outside is real messy right now. I just have to drain off some of the water for the rice. But the rain comes, so the vlog can't finish outside, so I have to literally do everything inside. Check on the potato them, guys. The rice dry then. Then just have to wrap the pot with a piece of file paper. Just to the rice is steamed. And the Irish potato done cook. So I'm going to show them how now and mash the Irish potato with the butter. And then put in the oven. Turn on the oven at 250 now, and I'm going to add in the jerk pineapple fish, and just add just a little bit of water on the fire. Just add a little bit of water in the aluminum foil, and I'm giving them 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, so I'm using a stick butter. For the mashed potato, I'm using some milk, a glass of milk. So I'm just mashing the potato, guys. So I'm mixing the butter. So the potato done mashed. So I'm just spreading it into the aluminum foil. So I'm gonna just add it into the oven, just for it to catch a little bit of color. So I'm gonna just put the mashed potato in the oven just for about 5 minutes. So I'm just putting it in the oven just for it to get a little crust, guys. That's it, nothing more. So I'm just taking out the oven baked mashed potato out of the oven, and basically I'm just give it like 10 minutes just to catch a little bit of color. So I'm just checking on the fish, which is the pineapple jerk fish. So I'm giving the pineapple jerk fish 5 more minutes. Let me try to see if I can check it. So they are coming on good. So when the fish is almost steamed, you can squeeze it and then you can feel the softness of the fish. So guys, I'm going to make the jerk pineapple sauce for the fish. So I'm just adding just a little bit of cooking oil. So I'm gonna add some scallion, onion, a little bit of shredded garlic, some ginger. I'm just sauteing them for a minute. I'm gonna add a little bit of pineapple juice. Turn down the stove a little bit. I'm gonna add just a little bit of jerk sauce because the sauce is spicy. So I'm just adding just a little bit jerk sauce. It's a little bit of ketchup. I'm adding just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. So I'm making the jerk pineapple sauce for the fish. So I'm adding just a little bit of soya sauce. I'm adding just a little bit of brown sugar into the sauce, just a little spoon of brown sugar. And this is the sauce that's going to serve with the fish. I'm going to taste the sauce. So I'm just waiting on the sauce just to dry down just a little bit. So guys, I'm gonna shred some vegetable. So I'm using some sweet pepper, cabbage, tomato, cucumber. I'm using a mango into the vegetable. Now add just a little bit of purple cabbage into the vegetable. I just julienne the tomato. add in some sweet pepper. Add in some carrots. Adding in some cucumber. So I'm gonna just dice up the mangoes, just add in it. So it's mango season, guys, so you know, trying to use up the fruits that is in season. This is what the tossed vegetable salad is looking like, and guys, the rain comes and wet up the entire place, but the rain didn't stop the vlog, guys. Look at the water. But we're still outside, guys, because it's an outdoor cooking channel, so no matter what, I am gonna try to make it work outdoor. So I'm actually finishing up the video now. I am at the end of the video, and this is my oven baked mashed potato, pineapple jerkfish, tossed salad, rice and peas, and my pineapple jerk sauce. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to receive the content.